Hi there, and welcome to this episode of Consciousness Fucking Empowerment. Here, we talk about consciousness, the law of attraction, and how to reach your fucking dreams. So, here we're talking about empowering our consciousness and the tool that we have, which is our mind. Okay. The reason things affect us negatively, right? When somebody cusses at us or somebody comes in front of us when we're driving. I thought something nasty. But, and then you get angry, right? That's you being a bitch, basically. And reacting versus being calm and thinking about what you can do or respond, okay? When something happens that, like, maybe something falls or there's a big honk, I take a deep breath and I'm present. My consciousness, I'm just here, and I can think, do I want to turn around and find out or no? Am I in danger or no? Okay. But that's happened because I am constantly working on my self-control, which is through meditation. Okay, meditation. What this video is going to be about is how you have to be in a good vibration, good emotional state to attract what it is that you want to desire, whatever it is that you want to manifest in your life. Because you can't have negative emotions and have a positive outcome. Okay? Doesn't work that way. I know that fucking Hollywood makes it look like that, but it doesn't fucking work like that. Okay? It does not work like that. Your beliefs, I'm gonna give you an example, are what is creating your reality. For example, I love to use this example when you approach a woman. For men, when you approach a woman, if you're feeling negative, she's getting rejected right away because you're all weird and all nervous and shit. That's negative vibes versus you being confident, being aware, being present, having a powerful consciousness, right? A powerful presence, okay? Consciousness gives out presence. When you're talking to somebody, like I'm with you right now, looking at you, I'm present. So when a woman sees a man present and not being all weird and scared, like, hi, what's your name? Versus being present, the woman will be more receptive to you because you're present. Because you say, hey, excuse me. Hey, well, what's your name, by the way? Right? And then she'll be, oh, my name's Abdesiree, or what have you. Because your vibration is giving out positive vibe, you're going to get positive responses back. And even if they give you a negative response, because a person has their own right to be positive or negative, right? So if they're negative, you will understand that. You being in power, you are calm, okay? Now, this is something that's very important that's going to fucking help you, all right? So get ready. Pay attention. When you see somebody who's successful and you feel envious, jealous, negativity towards the person, is because you're focusing on the lack of what you want. You want what they have. And I know that because that's happened to me. And this kind of I had this epiphany today. I got the epiphany today through the book that I was reading by Jerry and Esther Hicks. You're focusing on what you do not have, okay? You're focusing on what you do not have. And you're like, oh man, what does that guy have that, and I don't, or that guy's not all that, blah, blah, blah. Or that woman, or blah, 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 okay? Focus on the positive aspects of what it is that you want. That's a good way to start shifting the vibration. Like, for example, you want more money, and then that person, you're hating on them or just feeling negative towards them. Like, how come I'm not rich? Focus on why you want the money or the appreciation of it. Like, okay, positive aspects. What do I like about money? Pays for my rent, pays for my food, pays for entertainment, pays for things that I could buy for people and gifts, pays for donations that I can give to people that help, my church, my nonprofit. It makes life more enjoyable. I can really see the joy of it, right? As I'm saying this right now, I'm feeling good about it, right? So those are the positive aspects. And then then you can be like, okay, why do I want the money? Oh, I want to buy a Bugatti Divo. I want to live in a mansion. I want to be able to buy gifts for my girlfriends. I want to be able to buy gifts for my parents. I want to buy them a home, a 2-story home in Rolling Heights or what have you. You answer those questions yourself. I'm answering the way I would answer, okay? Now, that's very important. So rewind this if you're still kind of trying to understand that, okay? So now, when you do that, it's important to understand those negative shifts, those negative vibrations, because then you can shift and pivot to the positive ones using these tools, of positive aspects of why it is that you want something, okay? That's very important. And I think I already went over, your point of attraction. That's going back to your point of attraction, okay? You can't have negative attraction point. You can't have a negative attraction point and have positive outcomes. You must be happy now to manifest positive outcomes. Okay? You must be happy now to manifest positive outcomes. Now, this is where I want to fucking share this. It's changed my fucking life. If you do this, it'll change your fucking life too. Okay? I applied this unconsciously when I got out of prison because I wanted to repent of what I have done. So I was involved in a lot of nonprofit organizations and giving back and then doing my work. So the universe gave me a lot because I was giving back a lot. So when I graduated, I stopped giving back. So I was like, okay, I did what I had to do. I graduated BA, MA at UCLA, bachelor's and master's degree. Okay. So I started shifting it. As I started learning the laws of the universe, like the law of attraction, I started applying more of it, like donating to nonprofits and places that I believe in. Okay, even if it's just a little as $5. Okay, I started giving, and I started noticing how good it felt to give, and how good it felt to be kind to people. Okay, that's one way to stay positive, but do things that make you positive every single day at the start of the day. Start with a positive footing. Here are 3 things that help me. That non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. The reason I don't fail is because I wake up at 2:45 a.m. Okay? And I got inspired by Wes Watson. What the fuck am I going to do at 2:45 a.m.? There's nothing going on. So I do my gratitude. And I appreciate the things. I just wrote, I appreciate my apartment. It's beautiful. It's my home. Thank you. I wrote that down. I appreciate money because it pays for my bills, for my electricity, for my apartment, for food, for gifts. Thank you. I wrote that down. It's feeling good. I'm so grateful for my mother. Now, I appreciate my mother because she cooks for me. She loves me unconditionally. Thank you. I'm feeling it now. I hope I know you can feel it through the video. You can feel the vibration because truth resonates. This one might even blow up. This video might blow up. And then meditation. Then right after that, I go to my meditation. Just few breaths. This is called mindful meditation. Mindful breathing meditation. Focus on my breathing in my nostril right here. Feel the oxygen go down to the pelvic floor by my balls. Hold it, let my stomach expand, and then let it out. And then again. And another way I like to do it is by doing a double breath. I feel like I've finished, but then I forcefully do a little bit more, okay? And then there's a chakra meditation. It's more advanced. It's below in the description. Then lastly, I work out. Non-negotiable. I have to fucking work out. Why? Because when you wake up, you're still lethargic. You're indolent. You don't have energy. You're just like, leg comes out, body barely moves. Eyelids are half open. Guess what happens when you work out? Heart starts pumping, blood starts pumping, your body starts getting warm. Okay, energy elevates. You are up. Okay? I would not be speaking to you like this if I did not work out. The energy would not be as high if I worked out. Would it be positive? Yes, but it wouldn't be as high as it is now. Okay? That's why throughout the day, when my energy goes low, I move around, I walk around, or I go do something. I move. Life is movement. Okay? So that's how you can stay in a positive vibration every single fucking day. You don't have to wake up at 2:45 like me and Wes Watson, but make those things non-negotiable. Okay? Do those 3 things every fucking day, and every fucking day is like a blessing, a gift, heaven on earth. It's unfathomable, okay? Only you can experience it, okay? Hope you like this one. Make rules non-negotiable. Make them right when you wake up so you start with a positive footing. And your positive vibration, in addition with your goals, must cause those goals to manifest because your mind is in a positive frequency. You're optimistic. Positive thoughts, actions, and habits must create a positive fucking life. I love you. Until next time, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If this is helping you, share it with someone you love. Peace. And I love you.